Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today we have another challenge. So what is the challenge? You guys know that my sub in Rubik's Cube is around 20 seconds. And sometimes I do under 20. So today we have a challenge that I do 5 solves, and if I do under 20 solve and those 5 solve, I'll complete the challenge and we're all good. But if I do not do any under 20 in that 5 solve, or my average will not be under 20 in that solve, I'm about to break my $40 X1 Tornado version 3, my only magnet cube, speedy magnet cube. I will break this thing if I do not do this challenge. Let's start scrambling the first cube, and if I do solve this under 20 seconds, the challenge will complete it and we're all good. Here we go. Making our fingers. Actually my first try, so I need to make my finger faster because I do not. I do the under 20 solves in the middle of my solve. I don't think I do any in 5 solves, so I hope I will good. We start the first one. There we go. And it looks like a good scramble. "23 seconds. You can see that we do 23 seconds. So let me put this in the QQ timer so we can get our average and see what is our average. We don't did it at the first try, so let's scramble this one. I hope it gives us a better scramble because I do not want to break my own magnet. Only magnet cube. Here goes the second try. Does not look so good. We done so good so far. The F12 and oil is done both, and now we are in the CLL. We can advance too, and our second is 26 seconds. That will become 28 seconds. So let's put this one in the timer too. And give it a +2. So, oh my god, I'm nervous a little bit because this is the third one and I'm done so bad so far. Like I don't even do under 25. No, I do under 25. Oh, reset the timer. There we go. I have this one. I hope I do under 20. You done so good so far. Oh my god, I know this is scramble. Oh Now again. 30, 23. 23.21. Enter this one to 4. Solve. I'm a little bit nervous. This is my only magnet cube that I threw in with this. And if I break it, I need to buy another one. And maybe I can solve if I do not smash it in the wall. It can. I can fix it back up. So the 4 solve goes. Oh my god, this is so good. I have 2 pairs right here. I have 2 edges done in the white side, but this 2 is not so looking good. Let's go! We finally do under 20. It is 18.82 seconds. We finally did it. Now I'm not have any worries because I will not smash my $80 Rubik's Cube. Not $80, $40. 0.2. So let's do this last solve and see what will our average be. So we do the last solve too. Here we go, the last solve. Oh, I don't memorize the cross so good. If I do another under 20, what will happen? I don't think I can because I don't memorize my cross so good and things not going pretty well. 25 seconds. 25.64 seconds. So let's see what is our average. So our average is 24 seconds. It says it right here, average 5. We did the challenge. We do one under 20. So we done the challenge and I'm so happy because I'm gonna break my $20 Rubik's Cube, $40 Rubik's Cube. But our average is not. That was a pretty cool challenge. So see you guys in the next video.